suka poto sila na kaka wewe akufa akoti mabele. Hapo hapo moi je suis parce que
nous manifestons ici, nous remontons la morale de notre armée, nous remontons la morale de nos combattants au front. Et puis nous fragilisons l'ennemi qui est en train de vouloir occuper illégalement notre territoire et qui exploite illicitement nos minerais et des minerais dont les peuples ne bénéficient en rien.
This morning, the UK Foreign Secretary spoke with President Kagame and called for urgent de-escalation, outlining the need for Rwanda and DRC to urgently return to the negotiating table. Now more than ever, it is critical that MONUSCO is able to deliver its mandate. M23 attacks on peacekeepers, with support from the RDF, must stop immediately.
Rwanda regrets the deteriorating security situation in the eastern region of the Democratic Republic of Congo. The current crisis could have been averted had the DRC government demonstrated a genuine commitment to peace. The DRC has all the necessary tools to achieve a lasting resolution to the ongoing conflict.